Hey there, folks. It's Lexi Does North here.
Lexi's on to the fish.
We're up in the beautiful Muskokas. Gorgeous day. It's what, probably about 21 degrees or so. No wind. No, we're looking good. We're gonna be out on the water trying to catch us some pike today. We would go for bass, but bass is not in season yet until June 19th. We shall go for pike. There's definitely bass in this lake, but we cannot fish for bass until after June 19th. That is when bass opener starts. On the road, there were bass carcasses. People, stop your poaching so that we can all enjoy our fishing for our bass when they are open. Sound like a plan? Quite simple. If you happen to hook into a bass while you're going for the pike, it's a good old concept called catch and release. You catch, oopsie, not in season. You release. Release them. We're fishing for some pike today, as I mentioned. The line I'm using is a braid Suffix line. It's 10 pounds. Next, my favorite lure to use. This baby has caught me many pike over the years, and when in doubt, I put the 5 of diamonds on.
5 diamonds.
So you can buy a 5-pack kit at Canadian Tire. You can also buy the Suffix line, Suffix braid, 10 pound, also at Canadian Tire. Steel leaders as well at Canadian Tire. It never failed, so we'll go with it again. I got myself a beauty Fenwick here. She's a high modulus graphite. Meanwhile, we got this guy in the back hooking on to my lure.
You do.
Sweet. Got her for my father from one of my birthdays. It's one of the best gifts. This rod is a medium fast action rod. 7 foot long. You can catch anywhere from pike to small little sunfish if you wanted, but they're not gonna do much for you. Also got myself a beautiful Shimano reel. It's a 2500 FL. Take a gander. It's a fantastic reel. Hopefully we'll catch on to some pike today. Stay tuned. Got onto some weeds already. Gonna be a weedy one. When you feel weeds, pull your lure in. If it doesn't go back, 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 then you got yourself some weeds. No fish is gonna go after that, folks. De-weed. Oh, what the mother? Catfish. Catfish. Not what we were going for today, folks, but when in doubt, 5 diamonds. Catfish, you gotta be careful, because they do have spikes that will come out. These. It's not the pike we're looking for. Wrong too. I'm going to talk about different lures that we like to use when we go pike fishing. Typically, while I say we go pike fishing, the odd time you may pick up a bass here and there on the same lure that you would typically just be using for pike. We only ever really catch and release. It sounded like a gunshot. Let's get on to the lures. So this is your Rapala. This is called a Husky Jerk. They come in all different sizes, as you can see. These are called treble hooks. All right. Those are gunshots. Better be careful up here. They also come in all different colors too. So you can get a gold. You can get fluorescence. Next, I would like to recommend the Williams Wobbler, AKA Red Devil. It's a type of spoon, as they call it in the fishing world. It's a great spoon. Works wonders for pike. I will introduce the Mepps. This is a number 5 right here. It's got a little bucktail on it. Looks pretty sexy when she goes through the water. That red tail. Give her a go. Spinner action. These spin through the water. And they create a little bit of a chang too. So you can get these in all different colors too. You got your good old fluorescent. Get a bigger white one. Double gang. Got a little stinger hook here. Always use your steel leader, okay, when you're going for pike. They got teeth. They're sharp. Be invested in one of these good bad boys. This is Scotty. They go all different ways. Great functioning, easy click release button on the bottom. I say easy. It's pretty new. So yeah, you just pop it off. You can turn your rod whichever way you want. It's got the nice lock too, so catch onto a big fish, she's not going anywhere. Well, that's it for now, I think, folks. Stay tuned. Hopefully we'll get onto some pike around that night bite. Got some bad audio here, folks, due to the GoPro being previously submerged in the water. Just a minor detail, so I'm going to narrate. Oh, look at the little baby. She's a baby pike. Look at that little baby. Aw, so cute. Yeah, she's beautiful. She's got teeth. Let's see if we could take a look. No, GoPro won't pick that up, so I'm gonna let her go. That was fun. Stay well, little baby. That's what we came here for. Bye.
I'm gonna try to net this fish, guys.
Yeah, boys! Just what we came for. All right. Yeah. Yeah. We got ourselves a pike. Just the pike we were looking for. On your tried and true lucky 5 of diamonds. Pretty good fight. Dispute. That's what we came here for. So, whenever you catch a fish, you got them out of the water. I'll give them a second before you let them go. Let them revive. Look at her. She's a beaut. Ready? Ready? Yeah. Yee-hoo! Lovely day on the water, I must say. Sad to leave. Wish we could stay, but we can't. We gotta go back to good old Newmarket. Thank you, Muskoka. You've been great. The fishing was awesome today. Got several pike. Could have got more, but still did pretty good, I'd like to say. Definitely didn't get skunked, so that's always a good thing. That pretty much summarizes a great fishing day with Lexi Does North. I don't know if you can tell. Can you feel those? Can you hear those mosquitoes? Can you hear them? They're starting to come out. Got to pack up the canoe. It's Time to go, boys. Great day fishing. Car is loaded. Just gotta load up the canoe. Great day. Lexi goes north.